BPI Platinum Rewards Credit Card, honest thoughts, first impression, and perks of having this credit card. Episode 15 na tayo ng ating credit card review. Watch this video. Hi CC, this is Trixie. Usually talk about personal finance, and for today's topic, pag-usapan natin itong credit card na ito. Pag-usapan natin muna yung requirements. So, ang requirements nito, dapat ikaw ay 21 years old to 70 years old. Upon the application, you can apply through their website or branch. So, for the income to apply for this one, dapat meron kang minimum monthly salary na 84,000 pesos. So, nasa medium range na credit card na ito, mga CZs. This is not good for beginners. Pag-usapan natin yung mga perks of having this credit card. This is good for traveler because you have the option to turn your airfare up to 6 months with 0% interest for whole year round. Let's talk about the pointing system. You can earn 2 BPI rewards for every 30 pesos spend. So, meron silang Vibe app na tinatawag. So, every time na ginagamit mo yung credit card mo, you can earn a points o 2 points yan mga sis for every 30 pesos spent. And pwede mo siyang i-redeem doon sa Vibe app. Okay, meron itong free lounge access up to 4 per year or 1 per quarter. But you need to have like a minimum requirements or yung mga minimum spend requirements to get this 4 lounge access per year. Ang maganda pa dito mga sisis, meron kang free travel insurance up to 10 million pesos when you book a flight using this credit card. Okay, so kung mag-purchase ka naman, you have this what they call purchase protection insurance wherein covered yung binili mo up to $500 US dollars per year. Okay, let's talk about the annual fee. So ang annual fee nito ay 4,000 per year. I am not sure kung pwede mo siyang i-waive, pero tawag na lang kayo sa bank. Okay, honest thoughts ko, maganda ito pag traveler ka. Pero kung usual credit card holder ka lang, like hindi ka naman lagi-laging nagta-travel sa ibang bansa, or ikaw yung tipo na ang gusto mo lagi nag-grocery, I think this credit card is not for you. May recommend ko siya sa mga nagta-travel talaga madalas. Tapos, ang maganda pa, BPI, ito mga CCs, alam niyo naman, maganda din talaga yung BPI. So, ayun yung honest thoughts ko sa kanya. Yung mga perks niya, ang nagustuhan ko is yung siguro yung insurance kasi insured ka na pag ginamit mo tong credit card na ito. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng insurance as well as siguro yung lounge access. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like and follow for more.